what's going on, guys? It's golden. Yeah. Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Today we're gonna make one of these, as you saw in the title of these. This is aluminum wires, which you could get from these cable looking things. I don't know what it is. So without further ado, this is actually a bracelet, so it didn't properly sign yet, but it's still cool though. But without further ado, just get in the process. But you will need a hammer, you need fire, and something like a cylinder, something like this. But this is just too fat, but you get the drift. So without further ado, let's get right in. Alright guys, so yeah, so I'm gonna cut short and start the music because I'm not doing any talking, because it's a very simple process. So first what I wanna do is be here.
So many things that I left unsaid.
Guys, forgot to mention that you could use one at a time, but I just used two. This is speed up the process, but take your time.
Rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, no, feels wrong to say. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past. But every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Of them, but you could actually spray paint it and do whatever you want. It's too small for my hand, but I just get with you. Look at this shit. Look at this. Ah, it fits. Damn boy. Damn boy. Alright, so